over here. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. The main theme of International Day of Yoga 2021 is Yoga for Wellness, that focuses on practicing yoga for physical and mental well-being, said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday. So now, let's start this beautiful day with yoga practices and try to inculcate yoga in everyday life. We will start with Surya Namaskar, before which we will greet each other by joining hands and chanting Om. For Surya Namaskar, there are 12 steps to be followed. We will perform the Surya Namaskar in 2 cycles. Let's start with the first cycle. Step 1. Join your hands and be in a prayer position. Step 2. Keep the palms joined. Breathe in. Lift your arms up. Bend backwards gently. Step 3. Now breathe out and bend forward from the waist. Go down and touch the ground, keeping your knees straight. Step 4. Now breathe in and stretch your body parallelly to the ground. Keep your hands to side and bring your right knee towards the right part of your chest. Let your left leg stretch behind and look up. Now as you inhale, fling your right leg backwards. Step 5. Aligning your entire body parallelly to the ground. Step 6. Gently bring down your knees towards the floor and exhale. Bring your chin to rest on the floor. Keep your hips elevated in the air. Step 7. This is also known as Cobra pose. Simply align your chest and torso 90 degrees to the ground, keeping your legs flat on the ground. Step 8. Again, return to Parvatasana. Keep your palm and feet where they are and raise your midsection. Step 9. This step is opposite of 4th step. Bring your right foot forward while resting the left foot behind at its original position. Step 10. Now slowly bring your left foot forward next to the right foot as you exhale. Step 11. Now inhale, raise your hands upward and bend backwards to enter Ardha Chakrasana. Step 12. Finally exhale and stand in relaxed manner in Namaskara Mudra. Here we have ended with the first cycle of Surya Namaskar, and now we'll start with the second cycle of Surya Namaskar. Take a deep breath, everyone. We'll start with step number 1 again. Join your hands in prayer pose. Step number 2. Keeping the palms joined. Breathe in and lift your arms up and bend backwards slightly. Step 3. Now breathe out and bend forward from the waist. Go down and touch the ground, keeping your knees straight. Step 4. Now breathe in and stretch your body parallelly to the ground. Keep your hands to side and bring your right knee towards right part of the chest. Let your left leg stretch behind and look up. Step number 5. Now as you inhale, fling your right leg backwards, aligning your entire body parallelly to the ground. Step 6. Gently bring down your knees towards the floor and exhale. Bring your chin to rest on the floor. Keep your hips elevated in the air. Step 7. This is also known as Cobra pose. Simply align your chest and torso 90 degrees to the ground, keeping your legs flat on the ground. Again, return to Parvatasana, keeping your palms and feet where they are and raise your midsection. Step number 9. This step is opposite of fourth step. Bring your right foot forward while resting the left foot behind at its original position. Step number 10. Now slowly bring your left foot forward next to the right foot as you exhale. Now inhale, raise your hands upwards and bend backwards to enter Ardha Chakrasana. Step number 12. Finally exhale and stand in relaxed manner in Namaskara Mudra.
Now students, be in this position, we will take a screenshot. Devyani, take a screenshot. Everyone open your camera, be in the position straight. वो इसमें request भेज रहे हैं, इसमें show नहीं होता.
10 minutes of Surya Namaskar translates into burning 139 calories. This will strengthen your back as well as muscles. Next asana, that is Vrikshasana. Stand tall and straight. Bend your right knee and place the right foot high up on your left thigh. Make sure your left leg is straight. Find your balance. Take deep breaths and raise your arms over your head. Relax. This asana brings balance not only in your body but also in your mind. We'll move ahead with the next asana, this Trikonasana. Stand straight with space between your legs. Inhale and raise your right hand straight above your head. Exhale, Bend your torso at the waist to your left side and touch your left feet. Relax. This asana will strengthen the legs, knees, ankles, arms, and chest. We'll move ahead with the next asana, that is Padahastasana. Stand with spine erect, feet together, and hand beside your body. Slowly bend forward and place your fingers underneath the toes. Relax. Padahastasana calms the brain and helps relieve stress. We'll move forward with Paschimottanasana. Sit down on the floor with your legs stretched out, straight in front of you. Keep your back straight. Breathe in and slowly raise both your arms above your head and stretch up. Breathe out as you bend forward and touch your feet. Relax. Paschimottanasana stimulates liver, kidneys, ovaries, and uterus and helps to bring flexibility. Next is Parivrita Sukhasana. Parivrita Sukhasana. Come to cross-legged position, sitting up straight. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Keeping your back straight, raise your left arm to shoulder height. Turn and look over to left shoulder. Relax. This asana stretches the hips, knees and ankles and increases your flexibility. We'll move ahead with Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Everyone will lie down on your stomach. Raise your trunk and head supported by the palms. Arch your neck and look upwards gently. Make sure your stomach is presented on floor. Relax. Lie down and gently get up from your left side. This asana opens up shoulders and relieves neck pain. This also strengthens the entire body. Here we have completed our asanas. And now we will start with pranayam. The first pranayam that we are starting is Anulom Vilom. All the students will see how the instructors and the teachers are sitting, and please follow the seating positions. Keep your hands on your knees. Your back should be straight. Sit in Sukhasana with your hands resting on your knees. Take your right hand, close your right nostril with right hand and breathe in from left nostril. Now block the left nostril and breathe out from right nostril. Again breathe in from the right nostril itself and block the left one. Breathe out from the left nostril. Relax. The next pranayam is Kapal Bhati. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Take a deep breath in. Now breathe out and pull your stomach in. Repeat this at least 20 times and then relax. Relax. Practicing Kapal Bhati increases metabolic rate and aids in loss. Now we'll do Omkar Ucharan 3 times. Take a deep breath in. put them on your eyes and slowly, slowly open your eyes. Now I would request everyone to stand up and get ready for Hasyasana. Now we'll start with Hasyasana. All the students have to laugh out loud.
आशा मैम
1, 2, 3, start.
से जोर से
I'm the best. I'm healthy. I'm fit and fine. I'm 10 10 out 10 10.
So here we end our yoga day practices. I hope everybody has enjoyed very well. And I also request everyone to inculcate yoga in your everyday life. At least practice yoga for 10 to 5 minutes every day. Now we'll end our assembly over here with national